Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us in this digital age: cybersecurity. With the rise of online activities, from shopping and banking to socializing, we're more vulnerable than ever to cyber threats. Today, we'll cover common cyber threats, practical tips to protect your personal information, and the latest trends and challenges in cybersecurity. So stay tuned to learn how you can stay safe in this increasingly connected world. Part 1. Common cyber threats. Let's start by understanding the types of cyber threats that are out there. Cybercriminals use various methods to gain unauthorized access to our data, and it's essential to be aware of these tactics to better protect ourselves. Here are some of the most common threats. 1. Phishing. Phishing is when attackers try to trick you into providing sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers by pretending to be a trustworthy source, often through fake emails or text messages. These messages might look like they're from your bank, a popular retailer, or even a friend. They often contain urgent messages asking you to click a link to verify your account or resolve a suspicious activity alert. 2. Hacking. Hacking is a broad term that covers many tactics used to infiltrate computer systems and networks. Hackers may exploit software vulnerabilities or even use brute force methods to guess your passwords. Once they're in, they can steal personal data, install malware, or even lock you out of your own accounts. Malware, short for malicious software, includes viruses, ransomware, spyware, and other harmful programs. Malware can infect your computer through compromised websites, phishing emails, or even seemingly harmless downloads. Some malware is designed to steal personal data, while others can lock you out of your system until you pay a ransom. This is known as ransomware. Social engineering is a method that relies on manipulating people rather than hacking systems. Attackers might pretend to be someone you know or pose as a tech support agent to get you to reveal private information. They exploit our trust in human nature to gain access to accounts or sensitive information. Now that we know the threats, let's talk about how you can protect yourself. The good news is, you don't need to be a tech expert to take some powerful steps towards securing your information online. Use strong, unique passwords. Your first line of defense is having a strong password. Avoid using the same password across multiple sites, as it makes it easy for hackers to access all your accounts if one gets compromised. Aim for complex passwords that combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Even if a hacker guesses your password, they won't be able to access your account without a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. Many services, from email providers to social media platforms, offer 2FA as a security option. Be cautious with links and attachments. Don't click on links or open attachments from unknown sources. If you receive an email or message that seems suspicious, even if it looks like it's from a trusted source, it's better to go directly to the official website or app instead of clicking any links provided. Regularly update your software. You see, software updates often include security patches for vulnerabilities that cybercriminals might exploit. By keeping your devices and apps up to date, you can easily enhance your cybersecurity. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those in coffee shops or airports, are often less secure. If you need to access sensitive information on public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it much harder for hackers to intercept your data. Monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Check your bank statements, social media accounts, and other online services regularly. Spotting unusual activity early on can really help you respond quickly if someone gains unauthorized access. Part 3. Latest cybersecurity trends and challenges. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, with both opportunities and challenges. Here are some of the trends shaping the field today. The rise of AI in cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is being used to strengthen cybersecurity, with many companies deploying AI-powered systems to detect threats and predict potential attacks before they happen. However, hackers are also using AI to develop more sophisticated attacks, so it's a double-edged sword. The cybersecurity industry is in a race to stay ahead of attackers who are leveraging AI. Ransomware as a service, or RaaS. Ransomware attacks have increased dramatically in recent years, with cybercriminals now offering ransomware as a service. In this model, criminals create ransomware tools and lease them to others, making it easier for individuals with minimal technical knowledge to launch attacks. This trend has made ransomware attacks more widespread and dangerous. With more IoT devices in our homes, from smart thermostats to security cameras, we have more potential entry points for cyber threats. Many of these devices lack robust security features, making them vulnerable to hacking. It's crucial to keep IoT devices updated and use strong passwords to protect them. Deepfakes, which use AI to create hyper-realistic fake videos or audio, are increasingly being used for fraud. Criminals can manipulate media to impersonate individuals, making it difficult to distinguish between real and fake. Cybersecurity experts are working on developing tools to detect deepfakes and prevent their misuse. But the technology is evolving rapidly. With growing cyber threats, governments around the world are implementing stricter cybersecurity regulations. For example, the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the EU and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, in the US, enforce strict standards for data protection. Organizations must comply with these regulations or face significant penalties. As we spend more time online, protecting ourselves from cyber threats has never been more important. Understanding common threats, adopting secure practices, and keeping up with the latest trends in cybersecurity are essential steps. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just the responsibility of businesses or governments, it's up to each of us to stay vigilant and informed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on staying safe in the digital world. Share your cybersecurity tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're protecting yourself online. Until next time, stay safe and secure.